In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable user registration on your WordPress website. As you can see here, the option to register is missing, and only users with an existing account can log in. To enable user registration, let's go to the admin dashboard. And now that you're in the admin dashboard, go to Settings and General. The option you need to activate is Anyone can register, and let's hit the Save Changes button. And just to make sure this is working, let's reload our page. And the option to register is now appearing. Just in case you have installed WordPress Multisite, I've left you a link in the description for my other video where I've explained how to allow users to register in WordPress Multisite. And finally, thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a like and subscribe to my channel.